Alright guys, so today we were replacing an old automatic doorman garage door opener because reasons why we were replacing it. I already got the I'm replacing it. It's because one, it doesn't have sensors. It's a pre-1993 motor. It's from 1987 or 85, I think. And it's like 38 years old. So it's almost 40 years old. I mean, AC motors last forever, but like I just want to get rid of this. So this is Lift Gaming's house. And I'm replacing it because it's broken, and also there's not really a lot of spare parts for older openers, but this thing is a tank. This thing's like chunky as hell. So, but it lasted over the years. It's time to replace it. It's actually I think a V-belt drive. I'm not sure, but oh yeah, there's I forgot what model. It's the regular whisper drive. It's not the 24784. And then there's the Genie Pro Max door opener right there. Nothing's changed on that. It's just been sitting there for a while. This opener is getting replaced. Used to work, but I'm replacing it. Also, there's no sensors. Oh, here's the Genie opener. There are clopay doors outside the doors. I'm actually gonna have a full refilming of the Texas neighborhood in the summer. It's not gonna be live, but it's gonna be a refilming thing, and I'll be having voice chat by then, so that'll be cool. Also, this is like Lift's house and stuff. There's some old stuff left behind. All right, so let me shut the heck up and let's get started. All right, let me take off the release rope. It reminds me of the old Genie Pro screw drives with that kind of a release rope. So let's take that off. Yep, it's all taken off. Took that off. Alright, so I already unbolted it before the video. I unbolted it, took it down. It's actually a pretty quiet motor. It used to work. Also, I'm going to take this to the dump later, and I'm going to put an 8550 in. Alright, so let's take it off. My mic is so low, so it's going to be hard to do this. Hold on, let me mute real quick. Alright, so I'm back. So let's get this unbolted. There's the inner trolley right there. I'm gonna unbolt this off. So we're gonna take this. Hold on. Take the entire opener with me. Oh shoot, I forgot about that gear. Come on. Alright, took that off. Goodbye, old opener. We're gonna take this down. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Also scary. Oh, shivery timbers. Never mind, I was just joking around. Alright, it's kind of rare to find on one of these units. So we found the original light cover. She made this light cover. It looks really bad. Let me take the old mounting bracket off. Okay. I might actually put drywall in here. Where's the keypad for this one? Let's go grab an opener. Hold on. Let me go to the... Let's go to precision garage door. Okay. Oh, jeez, the fan's on in here. Alright, so this is the Genie chain glide from one of my old openers. Alright, so we can either replace it with a Genie screwdriver. We can replace it with a lot of units that we have here. I just gotta find where the 8550 is. Could do an 8355. Actually, I might not do a belt drive. I might do something else. How about I do 8365, I guess? I don't know. I was gonna do the screw drive, but then, oh, here's the old 8-track drive. Yeah, these are the doors from my old house. Old Chamberlain, there's this old door here. Where's a good opener? I might do a Craftsman at this point. Oh wait, I think I have an idea. I think I got the idea. No. It doesn't have any light covers, but it works. It definitely works. Let's go bring it. I'll go grab some accessories for it in a second. I think I have accessories for it already. Chamberlain, B970. Yep, this works. Not really in a whole mood to set up an entire opener, but I'll do for the viewers, you know. Also, here we have another house here. Well, what's this? Oh, I don't really care about that. Here's the old Sears openers that just got replaced. These both the model. This is Sears from 76. No, these are Sears openers from 1978. These are like Clope doors. Yeah, the tracks are not doing. The store's not really doing well. So is the store too. Yeah, I took the case off of this one. The V belt broke in it. The one in here, the one in here burnt up. We took the belt from this one and put it in here. Now this one's going in the garbage. Both of these are going in the garbage. We're putting in new Craftsman openers. Yeah, the original light cover snapped apart. Also, here's the original door arm. Which is kind of rare to find. Yeah, Sears digital control door openers. They're pretty quiet to me, honestly. Hold on, let me turn my camera. Okay, so alright, we have the B970, so let me go grab a rail for it. I do know I'll probably just borrow the Whisper Drive rail, the one from Nick's house, because I'm too lazy to go digging for an actual rail. Alright, let's go. So, it's been like 9 minutes. Let's get this rail to the older house, and let's just get this over with, because I'm tired. Since I'm tired, I just don't want to do this install. Don't want to do it, but I have to do it because the opener's really old. The opener was really, really old. Yeah, 70s openers aren't like the best quality sometimes. Some of these openers are the best quality because there's a lot of reasons to it. Like usually, circuits go bad, motherboards eventually burnt up, V belts break. It's just annoying. And then if you go on eBay, like a lot of this stuff is not for sale anymore because they're almost impossible to find because they're from the 70s and 70s stuff. They make a lot of news things now. Oh, damn it. Oh, great. Opener keeps glitching out. Like, why is it glitching? What the hell? Alright, I think that's... oh, that looks ugly as hell. Hold on. Got the belt on. Yeah, this is a B970 door opener. Door opener. Alright, let me extend the angle iron. Alright, let's put this in properly. Come on. Hold on. Let me move this over. Let me make sure. So far, the opener looks good. I gotta ask Nick to put light covers on this, cause I'll probably put light bulbs in it when I'm done. Cause I'll set the limits, or I'll set the limits. Come on. Is that good? Oh no. There we go. Alright, so let's put sensors on. I'll get a wall button for it in a second. There's not gonna be a keypad for it since the other door already has one. And plus I would have put a keypad on the Genie, but I didn't do it. Alright, so new V970s is installed. Let's move this ladder out of the way. These doors are like 20 years old, I want to say. Yeah, rip old doorman. Rest in so long, automatic doorman. So long, automatic doorman. So let's take this button off. I'm gonna go grab another button. Okay. Let me paint this. Come on. Oh, great. I don't know why Lyft made it white. It's not really supposed to be white. Hold on. There. Now I got my Chamberlain B970 button. It's all set up pretty much. Yeah, so we have completed the install, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.